Let little Gary walk across first.
Why is it out of focus? So bad.
Mom. Go towards him?
Yeah.
Look. It ain't worth a crap if you go close to him. You gotta back up. The camera ain't really made for that. It ain't worth a shit. If something bites you, just yell. I'm gonna laugh if just like falls into that drop off. There's a drop off.
Gary, you need to go.
Yeah, but there's a big drop off over there. If I go nosedive, I'll flip over. That's the drop off. There's a drop off there and there's a drop off there. We gotta find this. Where's the little hill? Is it over there or is it right there? I'm on the hill. That's the hill. Walk down into it.
Ain't no way. I'll make it.
Pick up the back. Pick up the back.
You got it.
Nope. Man, you didn't go anywhere. Well, it was fun trying shit. I should have went through there with some speed.
I told you. Either go, shit, or get off the pot's what I said.
We gotta pull this motherfucker out of here. You gotta get off of it. Damn it! You ain't got any pocket things? No. Wallet, nothing?
I'm scared to get in there. Look at him. He's
Should
not gonna get in, Gary. You're in trouble.
I say something about snakes?
You better get no. Don't work.
It's floating.
You're getting water all in the exhaust.
Got water moccasins and shit like that.
I know that. I'm in a lake.
Should I tell Gary there's a snake right by his leg and he doesn't see it?
Don't tell him that.
Alright, I won't tell him.
God almighty,
It's a big fucking copperhead. Can you believe that shit?
Oh.
I'm serious. That's a big fucking snake. Oh, I'm sorry. That's little Gary. Hey, at least your nipples float, Gary.
Jump on little Gary's nipples.
they're like built-in life preservers.
Make my battery shorted out.
Does he know there's a big snake around here? Don't talk about the snake. So
Click in here.
he would leave Gary in that pool over there. He'd knock us down getting by.
He wouldn't.
Would that snake be in the water? No. It won't? Not that black one that was.
No. What? A black snake?
Water monkey.
No, black them. Let's shoot a black snake will get in the water. I've seen them in the water.
Yeah, but he wouldn't be going near them. He'd hide.
Yeah, water moccasin.
Water moccasin won't. You'll go see what you want.
All right. I guess we can go ahead and
Yes, man.